everyone, I'm Daisy from Hikvision. Right now, I'm standing inside the distribution center of an industrial park. The distribution center usually consists of several functional areas, each with specific security priorities. Conventional video security solutions usually employ dedicated cameras to cover each area, adding up to the complexity of the system. Among these areas, the automated sorting area needs to be restricted for unauthorized persons or activity. So, how can Hikvision help us here? Here's the answer: the next generation PTZ camera, the TandemVu PTZ. First, a TandemVu PTZ is able to cover two separate areas inside the distribution center. In the meantime, you can use the PTZ lens to zoom in on detail of the automated sorting area on the far end. Needing fewer cameras simplifies security deployment and management. Second, the camera allows you to customize restricted areas for unauthorized access. The TandemVu PTZ detects classified objects like persons and vehicles with AI and can be set to broadcast audible alerts upon detection.
Warning: this is restrict area.
See, the TandemVu PTZ not just help you cover big areas with fewer cameras in the distribution center, but also provides ways to control access to exclusive areas. If you want to know more about the TandemVu PTZ, please visit Hikvision.com. Thank you for watching. See you next time.